Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to solve pen drive not showing up in File Explorer or disk management in your laptop or desktop. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop I just connect my pen drive over here. I just go to File Explorer. I just want to find out where's my pen drive are connected over there. So just go to my PC. I can able to understand, I can able to identify this is my pen drive area, but it is not showing, it's not visible. What I have to do here? Just close this option. On your start menu, just use right click. Once you use right click, just go to device manager. Once you click a device manager, the device manager will control entire drivers in your laptop. As you see here, there is a lot of device manager which is given from the Windows 11 or Windows 10 everything. So here you need to find out USB Universal Serial Bus Control, that is USB. So just hit the arrow over here. So this is the control of entire USB. For example, your system has or your laptop has the port, means the port will be having the Intel USB component devices, USB root hub will be there. So if it is not working properly, means here there will be a problem. What you have to do here, just right click on that and just click uninstall drivers. Once you click uninstall drivers, just click uninstall. The driver will be uninstalling from your laptop. So don't worry about that. You are going to uninstalling your devices. So just wait. Then you can able to identify and you can able to connect your USB. For example, some of the time your drivers won't be acceptable or your drivers won't be visible, that so you can't able to identify the problems over here. So once you uninstall and reinstall, means it will be easy. So yes, to finish removing a device you must restart your computer. So I just want to restart that. I can give a yes or no. Now my USB is not working properly because I uninstall everything, so I can't able to use my mouse and keyboard, so that I can use only my trackpad to create to identify the USB. So now what I have to do here, so there is no USB devices over here, so just go to the scan for hardware changes will be there. Just click a scan for hardware changes. Scan plug and play computer hardwares will be there. So it will scan the entire thing and it will move into USB. Yes, now my USB drive is working properly. Now my connection will be working properly. My mouse and keyboard, everything is working properly. Now I can able to identify and I can able to identify the entire things as you see here. So my USB composite drivers will be fixed over there, so that I can able to do my work without any hesitation. So before that you are going to do that, you just go to action option and just click scan for hardware devices. Once you click scan for hardware devices, your entire scan will be done over there. Then you can restart your laptop or desktop. Now you can able to work your PC with a USB drive. So USB connection, everything will be working properly. Now you can able to connect your USB pen drive or hard disk and you can use. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.